So imagine that you had a program where you needed to add four numbers together, and you only had the following method in order to help you out. For some reason, maybe the addition key is stuck on your keyboard and you can't use it. But this is what we're going to use. So we're going to make a method here. So it's going to be public static int uh, add. And what add is going to get is it's going to receive two integers, so n1 and n2. Sorry, int n2. There we go. And then what it's going to do is it's going to return the sum of those numbers. So it's going to return n1 plus n2. So I guess as soon as you finish this, the addition key falls off your keyboard and you can no longer use it. Okay, so now how would we add four numbers together without using the plus key on the keyboard in order to do this? So there's a couple different ways to do this. Now what we'll do is we'll have a new variable. So we'll just have int, and this will still be our number. You know what, we're going to call it sum, because it will be the result of an addition. And then I want to add together the numbers from 1 to 4. And how do I do this with just this addition here? So the way we accomplish this is we're going to nest our function call, and then I'll go through exactly what is going on here. So the sum value is going to be the addition of something, but I can't do this. So I can't send it 1 and 2 and then add 3 and 4, because remember I said that for this scenario, odd as it seems, we're not allowed to use this addition. So I can't do that. I've got to figure out some way around this. So here's how this is going to go, and there's a couple ways to do this. What we're going to do is we're still going to use add, but we're going to make this the result of a few other additions. So I know that I have two values that I have to send to it. They both have to be integer values, and then I'm going to get an integer back from this. And then I suppose afterwards, system.out.println, what we're going to do is we're going to print the sum. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the value on the left here be the sum of the numbers 1 and 2, and the value on the right hand side is going to be the sum of the numbers 3 and 4. So the way that I would do that is I'm going to type in add 1 comma 2, and on the other side I'm going to put add 3 comma 4. And I'll just space this nicely so that it's very easy to see what's going on here. So what this is a nested function call. So much more commonly, you'll have other methods, other methods nested in here other than like the actual thing itself. So what's happening here is it makes a call to the method, but as it's sending the parameters, so as it's sending the one in the first value, what it does is it does a separate method call. So this becomes 3, because it goes in here and then 3. And then the second thing that it processes is it goes onto the right hand side and it processes another method call. So we get 7 from this side. And then when we run it, we get our proper proper sum of 10. So this is sometimes useful. I mean, you're probably not going to end up with the scenario that one of your mathematical operator keys is going to fall off, but often you can find situations where you might need to make a method call with multiple other method calls nested within that method call.